What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing this third brake light. As you can see, it's all frosted over and just doesn't look very good anymore. The guys over at LED Factory Mart sent me a new third brake light that's a pretty cool design that I will show you here in a bit. So let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is get rid of this old third brake light. So when you get the new third brake light, the cover will come in black, but I chose to change mine and have it color matched, which I have to say turned out pretty sick. Now to remove the cover, if you opt to have it color matched, you will just remove these 4 screws. Now I chose to wrap my wiring in Kevlar tape, but that's not something you have to do. It comes with a new gasket, so you don't have to worry about trying to find one. Now one nice thing I noticed is that it comes with little alignment tabs that line up with the holes underneath where the screws go. Now the connector will be plug and play, so it's super simple. Now here is a little before and after. As you can see with the old third brake light, it's extremely dim and you can't see anything in the bed. And here is the new third brake light installed. Look how bright it is, and the design of the LEDs throws the light right down in the bed where you need it. Look how big of a difference this is. This is just insane. And here is the third brake light with brakes applied. Even the red is insanely bright. I am extremely impressed with the fit, quality, and finish of this light. I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first, but this light really outshines other brands. No pun intended.